Hey, you! I know it's been a while. I've been so busy enjoying life, taking care of kids, jobs, schools. Anyways, I also was enjoying commissioning, and now I want to share it with you. I want to show you something beautiful. Yep, that's what I wanted to say. Oh my god, it's been a while. Anyways, today's commission, I wanted to go for another challenge. Something that I suck at. Something laying down. That's what she said. Anyways, today's perspective. Oh my god, why do I do this to myself? Today's perspective was inspired by laying down and looking at a laying down perspective. We can look at Lonery, I think that's how you say her name, and Illyria, and Pinterest. A lot of good references here, but can I master it? Let's find out. In today's commission. Thank you, Nyx. This is all for Nyx. Ever since learning about the blobs, the blob technique, I've been using the blob technique. I love the blobs. And I thought I had the pose in mind, but then I hated it. Yep. I don't know what to do with the hands, guys. I don't know what to do with the arms. I'm just struggling. So as you can see, my process isn't perfect. It takes time. So all you new artists, you can't get mad and say fuh every time you have to redraw an arm. Anyways, after this it was like smooth sailing. Maybe. After my sketch, I put it either on overlay or I put it on soft light. And I put the opacity way down so I can still kind of see it. And then I put a layer underneath it and I just start coloring it. At this moment, I was locked in. After I finish the face, I'm locked in. You guys know how I said it was smooth sailing? I lied. I don't know if you could tell, I was redrawing those flowers nonstop. And then I realized I don't know how to draw flowers. So I decided to research, learning from other artists, other tutorials, and I think I got it. I think I picked a better color. And I'm proud of myself because now I have mastered the flowers. You guys think I drew all those flowers by hand? Wrong. I'm too lazy. I just drew one flower, and I either flipped it, rotated it, or liquefied. That's the secret. Then with a little lighting magic and some shading, it made the illusion that they were all different flowers.
Nice.
Look at that beautiful lady. We did it. I'm glad I get to show you my process. If you guys are interested in me to draw your character, I am just drawing your character for free once a month. Yep, once a month. So keep an eye out on my Discord, and DeviantArt, and other places. But those are the main ones. I can't wait to see you. I'm here to help and draw your character for fun. Yay! Thank you for Extra, Aroxin, and Nyx for following me on Patreon for so many years. Thank you.